Hi, I'm Austin Zimmerman with Sawblade.com, and today we're here at R.E.M Manufacturing, one of Houston's premier manufacturing facilities. One of the biggest issues that industrial manufacturers face is making the most out of the surface footage in their facilities.
My name is Ruben Martinez. I'm the owner of R.E.M Manufacturing in Pasadena, Texas. One of the things that's very important in a manufacturing facility, or here especially at R.E.M, is being able to get the most of our machines as we can possible. One of the things that we love about the Trajan 812G, it has a self-sustaining coolant system in it. It has an adjustable feed rate hydraulic system. It has an adjustable guidelines for easily to be rigid and keep your blades straight. It also has capabilities of cutting 45 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degree angles on it, which is very important on some of the parts that we manufacture here, especially when we do our fabrication. It also has an automatic shut-off that shuts off its machine once it's complete, so it's a safety standard that we love to have because safety is always first in a manufacturing facility.
Another large issue that manufacturers face is being able to get a machine that's versatile and that can fit a variety of applications that they face during the cutting process.
The Trajan 812G is a small compact saw. It's very diversified, very easy to use, it's very mobile. It doesn't take up much space. It can easily change from cutting stainless steel to carbon steel very easily by just switching the gearbox on there. Cutting ranges can go down from as little as 3/8 that we cut all the way up to 6 inches, which is amazing for a job shop because you never know what you're going to cut. It's a small machine, takes up a little bit of space, but the range capabilities are awesome. It's a great saw and I highly recommend it. My name is Ruben Martinez. I'm not a paid spokesperson. I'm a happy customer with Sawblade.com.